Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Jai Gala with Platform, and today we're going to be discussing how to integrate ActiveCampaign with your Platform account. ActiveCampaign is an email autoresponder and a CRM. The purpose of integrating your ActiveCampaign with Platform would be so that any new members that you get signed up with Platform can be easily imported into your ActiveCampaign and created as a contact on one of your lists for further email automation and remarketing. If for some reason you don't have a Platform account, go to platformarea.com and get started with a free trial today. So for this integration with ActiveCampaign, you are going to need an ActiveCampaign account. If you don't have an ActiveCampaign account, you can also go to activecampaign.com and you can procure an account there. The rest of this video, I'm going to already assume that you have an ActiveCampaign account ready to rock. So let's go back to Platform and start this integration here. From the Platform dashboard, you're going to want to navigate down to App Settings, click App Settings, go to Marketing, and you're going to look through the list of email marketing integrations, and you're going to go to ActiveCampaign. And then you're going to see here, Platform is asking us for two things, right? The API access URL and the API access key. So we need these two things from ActiveCampaign, and then we are ready to rock. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to ActiveCampaign, and we're going to click Log In. And now we're inside our ActiveCampaign dashboard, and we are going to go down to Settings. We're going to find Developer, and here are the two things that we need to add to Platform. So all we have to do is, this is your API access, and this is the URL. So we're going to copy the API access URL by clicking this button here. Now it's copied to the clipboard, as you can see. We're going to come back to Platform, and we're going to paste this in by hitting Control V on our keyboard. And now we're going to head back to ActiveCampaign account, and we're going to copy this API key by clicking the button again. See, it's copied to clipboard. Go back to Platform and Control V paste that in as well. And now all we have to do is click Save. And now it has been updated, and we are presented with a drop-down box. What this drop-down box is going to do is it's going to give us a list of lists that are inside of our ActiveCampaign account. As you can see, I have 4 different lists. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click Platform Members, and I'm going to click Save. And as you can see, we are updated. I'm just going to give the account a refresh here real quick. Back at the ActiveCampaign tab, you can see we are set to go. And if you ever want to disconnect this, go ahead and click Disconnect. And you can reintegrate a different ActiveCampaign account if you want. So now we are fully integrated. The only thing is, with this and every other integration, is we want to test this. We want to test it and make sure it's working before we bring in live members. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a member. So we'll go to Members, and we'll click Add Member. And let's add Alex again. Okay, now we got Alex's information in here, his contact information. And when I click Save, what should happen is he should be created as a member in Platform, and then his contact information with his name and email should be directly imported over to ActiveCampaign. So let's give this a try by clicking Save. So we click Save, and we can see Alex Cobb is created as a member here in Platform. Now let's go back over to our ActiveCampaign account and just check if he was imported. So from our dashboard in ActiveCampaign, we can see that there is a new contact here. But let's go to Lists, and we can see Platform Members. There's one contact in there. Let's click that and see if it's Alex. Haha, yes, success. So this is Alex in this Platform Members list. There's his email, and here's the date that we imported him. Now that he is on this list, we can utilize all of the powerful automation tools that are within ActiveCampaign. And that is how easy it is to integrate your ActiveCampaign account with Platform. If you have any questions, reach out to us on support, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks.